In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Patreon to Instagram. We'll be doing this directly from your Patreon settings, and the process is fairly simple once you know where to look. If you want to link your Instagram to your Patreon profile, this setup helps keep your creator presence connected across platforms and makes your account feel more complete. To get started, go to Patreon and make sure you're signed into the correct account. It's always a good idea to double check that you are logged into the creator profile you want to update before changing any settings. Once you are on Patreon, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click the three dots. This opens an additional menu where Patreon places more account and workspace options. If you don't immediately notice it, take a second to scan the lower left area carefully, since this menu can be easy to overlook. After that, click on Settings. This will take you to the main area where you can manage your Patreon account details, preferences, and connected information. Settings is where most profile level changes happen, so this is the right place for linking social accounts. Inside Settings, click on Account. This section includes your basic account information along with options related to connected profiles and account level personalization. If the page has several tabs or categories, stay in the account area so you can find the social connection options. Now look for the section called Social Links. This is the part of Patreon where you can connect external platforms to your account. Depending on your screen size or browser window, you may need to scroll a little to find it. Take your time here and make sure you're in the correct section before moving on. Once you find Instagram in the social links area, click Connect. Patreon will begin the connection process for your Instagram account. From here, follow any on-screen prompts that appear to authorize the link between the two platforms. Be sure you approve the correct Instagram account if you manage more than one. And that's it. Once the connection is complete, your Instagram should be linked to Patreon successfully. If it doesn't appear right away, refresh the page or revisit the account section to confirm the connection was saved. As a final tip, if the connect button doesn't respond or the page looks outdated, try using a different browser or disabling extensions that might interfere with pop-ups or account authorization screens. Keeping both accounts accessible before you start can also make the process smoother. That's how to connect Patreon to Instagram.